Did you know why a balloon floats? Or why our voice sounds squeaky like Alvin the Chipmunks? Well, if you don't know it, it's helium. Helium is the second chemical element in the periodic table which has an atomic number 2, a chemical symbol He, and a 4.00 atomic mass. Also, it belongs to group 18 noble gases in the periodic table together with neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. In August 18, 1868, the first evidence of helium was observed by Jules Janssen during a total solar eclipse in Guntur, India. He observed a bright yellow line with a wavelength of 587.49 nanometers in the spectrum of the chromosphere of the Sun. While in October 20, 1868, Norman Lockyer, English astronomer, observed a yellow line in the solar spectrum. He named it B3, similar to the lines of sodium. Pierre-Jules César Janssen, also known as Jules Janssen, was a French astronomer who is credited with discovering the gaseous nature of the solar chromosphere, and with some justification, the element helium. On the other hand, Sir Joseph Norman Lockyer, KCB-FRS, was an English scientist and astronomer. He is credited with discovering the gas helium. Lockyer also is remembered for being the founder and first editor of the influential journal Nature. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe after hydrogen, and accounts for about 25% of the atoms in the universe. Most of the helium in the universe was created in the Big Bang, but it also is the product of hydrogen fusion in the stars. Helium makes up about 0.0005% of the Earth's atmosphere. This trace amount of helium is not gravitationally bound to the Earth and is constantly lost to space. The Earth's atmosphere helium is replaced by the decay of radioactive elements in the Earth's crust. Helium is commonly stored in a tank. Its appearance is colorless and odorless gas that is totally unreactive. Helium has no known biological role, so it is non-toxic. Helium is used as a cooling medium for the Large Hadron Collider and the superconducting magnets in MRI scanners and NMR spectrometers. It is also used to keep satellite instruments cool and was used to cool the liquid oxygen and the hydrogen that powered the Apollo space vehicles. Because of its low density, helium is used to fill decorative balloons, weather balloons, and airships. Hydrogen was once used to fill balloons, but it is dangerously reactive. A mixture of 80% helium and 20% oxygen is used as an artificial atmosphere for deep-sea divers and others working under pressurized conditions. Helium neon gas lasers are used to scan barcodes in supermarket checkouts. A new use for helium is a helium ion microscope that gives better image resolution than a scanning electron microscope.